In the matter of communication from Eli Allen requesting to appropriate grave markers bearing decedents' names, dates of birth, and death, if known, be placed alongside existing markers regarding the Scioto County Infirmary Cemetery.
This line item is, we got some communication from Eli Allen. He is a local historian. He runs wanderingappalachia.com. He has done a ton of research on the county infirmary, the county home cemetery, and has documented multiple stories of how people ended up there in that cemetery, and is requesting to be able to go there and put appropriate grave markers down from where they've found these individuals and their stories. Fascinating stuff. I would encourage people to check out his website or even his Facebook page. He's always posting interesting Scioto County history, Appalachian history there, but this line item is giving him our blessing to go there and place some markers.
Mr. Chairman, is it true that he intends to replace numbers with names? Is that kind of what he's trying to do, is actually give a name to the marker?
That is my understanding, even to the point where you could go to the grave and then be able to find that person in their database. And if there's stories connected to that individual, you can research that and learn more about those individuals.
Much more dignified.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Any other comments or questions? Hearing none?
Motion to approve.
I'll second.
Ms. Coleman.
Aye.
Mr. Davis.
Aye.
Mr. Powell.
Aye.
In the matter of